Now it's the time for you to wake yourself up from your own anxiety, from your own stress, and from your own depression. Yes, it is time to change your life. It is time to make something out of your life. Realize that this body is still in good health condition. Only you can enhance yourself. Only you can uplift yourself. The moment you face with your own anxiety, the moment you face with your own stress, and you face with your own depression, is the moment you are stepping out of it. The first step. Now the second step, instead of thinking about it too much, make things happen for yourself. Start do something that you always wanted and never get a chance to. Now, if you are alone by yourself, take a moment all up to yourself. Start to meditate, to draw yourself, to anchor yourself in the present moment. Connect with your breath. Because the more you in the present, the more you live in the now, the more you will be conscious of yourself, be conscious of your state of mind. In this understanding, you will transform your state of mind, your negative state of mind, into positive. And your anxiety into no anxiety. You can ask the question, where does anxiety come from? Does it come from fear, from not knowing what will go on tomorrow? Fear gives rise to what? Stress. Stress gives rise to depression. Depression gives rise to anger. All this is like a chain connection to your own state of mind. Once you recognize one, you cut one, everything else fall along with it. How to make this happen? Look at the lotus pond behind me. You know, when I look at the lotus pond, I look at the lotus flower, I thank you. I show great gratitude for those people who start the pond, who put the dirt in, who maintain, put the water in, keep the water enough level so that we can have a beautiful lotus pond for everyone to enjoy. Same thing with your life. If you want to create something special for yourself, for your life, you have to start. Put your anxiety down, put your depression down, and start to make things happen for yourself. Nothing comes easy in life. That's it. What you put in, that's what you get out of it. The result is from you doing the best you can within your life. Think positive, knowing that your body is still good health condition. Change your state of mind into a positive state of mind. Then you can make anything happen for yourself. The greatest thing is that we are still alive. You are still alive to change your life for the better. I hope you have a wonderful day, everybody. Smile and keep it fresh. Buddha love you and so do I.